Okay, so today I'm teaching Danny, cross product for 3D moment calculation. And so what we're going to be doing is I'm going to focus on the cross product part. So there's plenty of stuff to do with moments, but in this specific lesson, we're just going to do the cross product. Like that's the lesson, is the cross product in the big moment field.
Just that aspect of it.
Right.
Yeah.
There's other videos that I'll be having based on more moment analysis, but this one specifically is for cross product. And so what we have here is a force that's way over here going in that direction, in this direction actually is what it specifically gives us, at this magnitude in newtons, and it's rotating around point O. And so what we have to do is find the moment, the amount of force that's being rotated. So we're gonna find the moment. We're gonna use cross product to find the moment. And so this is the equation we have to use to find moments. And that's not multiplication. That's cross product. There's a difference, a big one. And so the definition of a moment is the distance from the point of revolution to the force, to where the force is, crossed with the vector notation of that force. And so in this specific problem, since we're focusing on cross product, the problem gives you the vector notation of the force, right? And we have to find the vector notation of the distance from revolution point O to the force at point A, and then cross it. I'll explain the cross multiplication when we get there, cross product. But we'll start. The moment is going to equal, actually we'll take it part by part. The distance from O to A. So in the x direction, if we start at O and we go to A, in the x direction we're going to travel
Positive 1 meter.
it's 1 meter. In the y direction, we're going to go -2 meters. And in the z direction, we're going to go +6. All right, so that's our R, OA, and our F in vector notation is given to us right here. Right? And so to calculate the moment, we're going to take both of those and find the cross product of them. And so cross product is funky. You just kind of got to memorize it. Okay, so what I did, I just copied that over here. We're gonna have this right here is this, and this right here is this. We're gonna take the cross product. So what you do is make a matrix, right? You put I hat, J hat, K at the top, and then you put the first term in the middle and the second term on the bottom. And then copy these 4 right here to make this shape here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take the I hat is going to be is gonna be this little shape right here. We're gonna take -2, sorry, times 8, right, minus 6 times 4. It's gonna be I hat. You're gonna add that to J hat, which is that same shape, but one row over. So that's gonna be 6 times -6 minus 1 times 8. J hat. I'm gonna add that to the K hat, which is gonna be the same shape, one row over. 1 times 4 minus -2 times -6. That's what this whole that whole thing is this, which equals all that.
Yeah.
And so when you do your math, you're gonna end up with so that's how you use cross product in a 3D moment calculation to get the moment in vector notation.